Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of being tethered to a power outlet while cleaning? You're in luck because I've got the cordless vacuum cleaner for Dewalt 20V battery by Vijayzoy, and it's a game changer. This top-rated vacuum is a bestseller for a reason, and I'm excited too. With the Vijayzoy vacuum, you'll get a comprehensive cleaning kit that includes a floor nozzle, crevice nozzle, long strip brush, round head brush, extension tubes, and a user manual. This highly rated product has been purchased and reviewed by thousands of satisfied customers, who rave about its performance. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its lightweight design, which makes it easy to maneuver and clean hard-to-reach areas. The crevice nozzle is perfect for getting into tight spaces, and the round head brush provides a smooth gliding experience on hardwood floors. The extension tubes are a great addition, allowing you to reach high shelves and ceilings without straining your back. The sound of the vacuum is surprisingly quiet, and the feel of the ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods. I've used this vacuum to clean my car, and the results are amazing. The interior looks like new. The Vijayzoy vacuum is also great for quick cleanups around the house, and the cordless design makes it perfect for cleaning stairs or areas without power outlets. Compared to other vacuums on the market, this one is a standout due to its versatility and ease of use. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient cleaning solution, look no further than the cordless vacuum cleaner for Dewalt 20V battery by Vijayzoy. With its comprehensive cleaning kit and exceptional performance, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to keep your home clean and tidy. Give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.